Today I'll be unboxing the iPhone 4s, and here is the front, here's the side there, top Apple logo right there, the other side, and backing there, and open it up. Now this was already opened for the phone to be set up at the store, so here we go. And here is the iPhone 4. It is exactly the same as the form factor is exactly the same as the iPhone 4. The only difference is mainly with the 4 and the 4S are hardware. This has a dual core. It has an 8 megapixel camera and it does 1080p video. So yeah, and so it does respond faster if you have different games and things like that. So that's it. And let's see what else is in the packaging. Put that up. Of course, your basic warranty cards and the usual stuff that comes with it, and a manual. Yep. All right. And of course, your plugins and your headphones. All right. If you have any questions, comments, please post them below and subscribe to the channel.